In this video, we'll show you how to replace the motor controller board of your PUQ press. You need to order the replacement motor controller board and display sticker with the product code displayed on screen. The tools you need during the following instructions are the Allen key that comes with the PUQ press, a Phillips screwdriver, and a small flat screwdriver or box cutter. Start with pressing the Set button. The tamper base will come down and CL will appear on the display. Set the power button to 0. Remove the plug from the socket and wait until the display goes off. Remove the top cover. Loosen the tamper base Allen screw and remove it. Loosen the tamper base from thread by hand, clockwise. Press the Set button. The drive unit goes back up. Loosen the 3 middle cover screws. Remove the middle cover. Loosen the ground wire screw. Loosen the 2 drive unit screws. Remove the drive unit completely and unclip the cable connector. Remove the display sticker. Loosen the 2 back cover screws. Lay the back cover gently on its back. Unclip the 2 cable connectors. Use a small screwdriver to unlock the motor controller board from its frame. Remove the old controller board. Slide the new controller board into its position. Clip on the 2 cable connectors from the controller board to the converter. Put the back cover in place. Tighten the 2 back cover screws. Apply the display sticker. Put the drive unit in place and reconnect the cable connector. Tighten the 2 drive unit screws. Tighten the ground wire screw. Put the middle cover back in place. Tighten the middle cover screws. Tighten the tamper base, counterclockwise. Put back the tamper base Allen screw and tighten it. Click on the top cover. Plug in the power cord. Set the power button to 1. Press the Set button. The tamper base goes back up. Let's tamp.